Hello guys. So today I'll be showing you how to use Simulink to compute basic math operations like differentiation and integration on a sine curve. So here I have my Simulink start page open, and let me go ahead and show you the library browser where all the toolboxes are present. And here you have different toolboxes: computer vision toolbox, communication toolbox, ROS, and many more. Now I need the derivative and the integrator. And let me go ahead and show you a shortcut to arrange for the same. Now I need first of all I need a sine curve, sine wave. Press enter and arrange it here. Now I need a derivative and press enter. Have a derivative, put it down, and I need an integrator. Press enter, and I have an integrator. Now I need a scope. Now what is a scope? So basically, if you want to visualize the whatever the output graph you have, because in a normal programming IDE or software, you usually use the plot function to actually see the math being done. So on Simulink you use scope, press enter, and I have the scope ready with me. And let me just increase the size because okay, now here you'll be needing as you can see, there is only one input port for the scope. You'll be needing 3 input ports. So go ahead and double click on the scope and go to file, number of input ports 3, and escape. And as you can see, there are 3 input ports now. Now first we'll observe the initial integration function and compare it with the original sine wave and connect it here. And then let me go ahead and run this. Double click on the scope again and run. Yeah, as you can see, the yellow graph is the original sine curve and the blue curve is the integrated one. As you can see, the amplitude has increased and it has been shifted by 1 unit upwards. And so this is how Simulink works and scope works. So you let me go ahead and show you the derivative as well. Go ahead and connect this to this to the third input port, and show you the scope. Press on run, compiling, voila, and I have the 3 curves with me. The red curve is the derivative, that is the cosine of x, and yellow is the sine of x, and the blue is the integrated one, that is again cosine function. Now as you can see, the red curve is shifted by it's shifted left by 180 degrees, it's phased out by 180 degrees to the original curve. And yeah, now what you can do is you can also change the parameters involved with the sine curve. For example, the amplitude, the frequency, the phase. As you can see, I have all put the default value, and you can change the sine wave type as well to a sample based or a time based, and also the sampling time. Well, you can use an external signal to actually simulate it with a different time, and same goes with the integrator. You can change the initial condition to anything you want, and let me show you the sine wave. Let me change the frequency to then change this to 4. Press enter, and we go to port, click on run. As you can see, the frequency has changed because I've made the frequency as 4 radians per second, and appropriately I get the graphs as well. So as you can see, Simulink is a very interactive software by MATLAB, and as you can see, with the simple touch of a button, you get the output curves, and without having to write a 5-line code on Python or MATLAB using either say NumPy or Matplotlib libraries. So this is a very interactive software, and you can use this for many other purposes as well, not only for the math part. So see you again next time.
Hey there, congrats on finishing the basics of your topic. Carry this momentum forward by working on a hands on project based on the topic that you've chosen. Go to the description down below to get a registration link to get our accelerated course PDF. So go on, continue your journey of exponential learning.